Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to report someone on BeReal if they are being inappropriate, offensive, or violating. So the first thing to do is to open up the BeReal app on your device and log in if necessary. From the home screen, go ahead and tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. Soon after you do that, go ahead and tap the Friends option underneath your profile. You will be able to see all of your friends on this list. If you want to report them, then first of all, go ahead and tap on their name from the list and then click on the three dots at the top right. You will be able to see these three options. Tap on Report and then select why you are trying to report the person. Choose any one reason from the menu, and then you can also enter a description for the report and finally click on Send in order to submit the report to BeReal. Your report then will be sent to BeReal's moderation team for review. If your report is confidential, the person you report will not be notified. BeReal will handle it according to their community guidelines. If necessary, they'll take action such as removing contents or banning the user. So that's how you can easily report someone in BeReal in a super easy way. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.